Alright everybody, it's 8 o'clock on Wednesday night on August 26th, and here's a market recap on what happened today. So the market right now in the after hours is looking pretty red, so that's why you see the red here, but throughout the day the market was actually pretty strong. A lot of big tech stocks went up tremendously, especially Amazon hit an all-time high. Apple's hovering around 505, and Adobe went up huge too. So I added this new feature to Trade4. So if you click on the price a few more times, you can see the amount change, the percent change, and then the actual price. So if you don't want to look at the ticker information, you click on the actual ticker and it will open up. So Adobe actually went up 44 bucks today, which is like 9%, which is incredible. Yeah, so it's really big day for tech today. But let's go back to our trading log. So let's talk about Fastly. I am just sick of Fastly. Personally, I've been trading Fastly for so long, for a while now. I actually do have shares for long term. So today, Fastly, let's see what happened today. Let's go down to a 15 minutes charts for Fastly. So today, market open, it dumped again. So I don't know what's up with Fastly, but it's for the past few days it's been doing this every single time. It dumped like crazy. I mean, like to 88 bucks from the high of 91. Well, not a crazy dump, but like still like a $3 difference. And then it got bought right up. So somebody's keep buying Fastly apparently. So it actually went up to the higher day of 92 bucks, and then it started to drop, right? So I was holding this Fastly put that's expiring this Friday, and it was going to for $82 put. So I sold this put. So I need Fastly to stay above 82 by Friday, which is 2 days away. So you know what? I was like, man, I can't stomach this swing with Fastly anymore. It was going up and down, and even now, like after hours, it's down like $1.34. So at this point, I'm pretty much risking my full collateral for the same amount of profit, for half the amount of profit. So you know what? So the full profit was $1.30. So that's $130. So I pocketed that premium in the beginning. So now I decided to close this order. So I paid 45 bucks to buy it back. This means I have a maximum profit of 130 minus 45, which is I think $85 or something. Yeah, somewhere around there. So that was my profit, which is I'm happy about, you know. But like this option here has put me through a lot of stress. It's probably the hardest premium I've earned so far, definitely in this adventure. So yeah, but the Fastly $75 put was doing extremely well on the other hand. So right now, the only way I can lose is Fastly goes below 75 by Friday, which is in 2 days. So Fastly needs to drop about $13 in 2 days, which is pretty much not happening. And that's why the value of this option is dropping near zero today. So it actually didn't move at all, you know, like it stayed put. So far I have pocketed 47 out of the total 55 maximum profit. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna let it ride, and I'll put in a 1 cent bid for it to close it if I can, to free up my collateral. But right now it looks like I'm going to let this expire worthless on Friday and pocket the whole $55 profit. Alright, now let's look at Beyond Meats. Beyond Meats, let's see right here. Beyond Meats went up $1 today, which is great for me. But throughout the day, it wasn't so smooth. So if you look at the story here, Beyond Meats this morning, same story again. Like the market opens, it went up pretty high, and then it dropped all the way down to like the low of 123 from 125. So like $2 drop. And then throughout the day, it just picks back up, and then eventually it just closed in the green today. So that's the good news for my put, which is $118 put by Friday. So I think we're definitely gonna hit that unless something crazy happened tomorrow, which I don't think so. So far I am plus 45 bucks on this, but out of the possible total of 64. So same thing as Fastly, I'm going to let this expire on Friday and pocket the full $64 profit. I'll put in $1 bid here just to close it out if I can tomorrow. So we'll see. Now let's move on to Peloton again. Peloton, it's a funny story now. Peloton, it went. I mean, today it actually, went up 85 cents, right? So it went up 1% today. I don't want to show you the chart because it's the same story. It dropped and then went back up. So my option expires Friday at 61.5 and right now it's 67.3. So I have really good chance of pocketing the full premium for this, which is $33. So as you can see from this option, it's now worth $1. It's pretty much worthless. So I am going to put a bid for it tomorrow and try to close it early so I can free up the capital and buy something else. So now, here's the main story of this video. I encountered my first loss today, and with a stock that you will never guess. So I actually played DDOG today. So DDOG was such a crazy play today. So let's look at what happened and how I lost my first theta game trade. DDOG, market opens, it rips up all the way from 83 to the high of 89. So that's like $6 like rise today. So I was like, what the hell? Looks like this is a super bullish movement. I wanna see it go to 90s. So for whatever reason, I decided to sell a put on that. So if you look at where I sold it at, so DDOG today, I opened a 2 days expiration option, right? I sold the put for $85, expiring Friday, when DDOG was at 87.84. So let's look at where 87.84 is. So 87.84 is somewhere right here. So I thought I was buying the support. So 87.84 somewhere here. I was like, hey, you know what? This looks like a good support, for the pump today. I was thinking probably gonna go down and go straight up. But I was wrong. It actually dipped like huge. It drops and then drops again and then broke the support again. So it actually went all the way down to 85.26. So it went to my strike price, close to my strike price. So I was like, whoa, this is not good. So I bought it for $61 credit. But the option price just keeps going up and up when it dropped. So when it dropped like all the way down here, I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna take the loss because if I'm wrong, I want to cut my loss quick. And that's one of the key things that you have to think about when you trade. Is that if you're wrong, don't let your ego get in the way and just admit you're wrong and then move on to the next trade. You don't want to be back holding a wrong option and then actually like balloon your loss as you hold it longer. So I closed it out at 105. So I sold this for $61 credits. So that goes straight into my account. But then I bought it back at 105. So with the difference of $44. So I actually lost $44 on this one when I closed it out early. So that that's the lesson. I can't win them all. Ideally I like to win them all, but I'm not going to win them all. So yeah, close it out when you're wrong. That's the lesson today. So that's a story. DDOG, like if I held it even longer, I think this is like worth even more now. But you definitely have the theta decay on your side if you have a 2 day expiration. So speaking of that, and that is exactly why I picked up a next play, which is for Zillow with the symbol Z. So Zillow is a real estate company, listing company. They list houses, apartments on their website, and people use it to find new places to live. So Zillow today was like, it was on the pump, right? Fortunately, I don't think my internet is working. Yeah, I think my internet's not working, but whatever. So Zillow today actually went up, I think all the way to, I forgot where, but it was high today. So what happened was, I was like, hey, you know what? Zillow's pretty high and it's running pretty hot, and I wanna sell a put on it. I'm expiring this Friday, and pocket in like some of the IV and premiums. It was kind of a really tight play. So what I wanted to do was $81. So I actually bought the $81.5 put, 2 days to expiration at the price when Zillow was at 83.62. So this is a bit more risky play because you're only like $2 away from your strike price and you had 2 days to expiration. Now here's the thing I want to talk about is the theta decay. With 2 days expiration, this put here, if you look at the Greeks, it has a delta of 2.25. So that means it has 25% of 25% chance of making you money. But it has a theta of 0.29. That means it loses $29 in value every day if Zillow stays the same price. So right now this is at 56 cents. So if Zillow opens tomorrow break even, right? Like not the price has not changed, then this value, this contract will drop by 50% pretty much. So I'm pocketing in like 55% just on that, just on time decay. So that is a very good trade in my opinion. A bit risky, but I'm betting on Zillow not having a big movement tomorrow. So if Zillow goes up or goes sideways, or goes slightly down but not below 81.5, then I will profit. So that was the game plan for this trade here. So the total credit I received was $57. So hopefully this one will play out tomorrow, and I will like close all of this stuff by Friday for, you know, full profit. So yeah, sorry about my internet, it's not working right now, but that is all for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe.